A-hop to all the real ones, man. I mean, the ones, man, that just, want to see the water keep flowing. You know what I mean? No questions asked. Just know when it's real, it's real. You know what I mean? Because when it gets real, it gets really real. And I mean, we had a goal. You know what I'm saying? And hey, the site is up, man. The site is up, man, because you want it up. The site is up because you want it up, man. I just feel the deep gratitude for seeing, man, the tribe work together, man, the copper thread work together, man. You know, I got a list of shout outs, man, so tune in, 432thedrop.com, man. The site is up, the app is good, we good, and love to y'all. I had enough to actually pay ahead a month, man, so we good at least for the next couple of months, man, no problem, man. No sweat, man. Drop Nation's in the building. I just want to say I appreciate y'all, man. Enjoy the website, enjoy the show. The show starts at 9:30. So on Thursday and Friday, we got live shows at 9:30 until, you know what I mean, 9:30 until. So enjoy it, man. I think we're getting fluty right now, so fall back. Let's get fluty for a little bit. We're coming in hot at 9:30. And A-hop to all Drop Nation, man, across the plane that wanted to see this happen, man. Wanted to see the site good. Wanted to get in the drop chat just because you want it. You know what I mean? It just fills me with gratitude that, you know what I'm saying, the Most High is giving us something really to share and that it's appreciated. You know what I mean? It's these are the checkpoints, you know what I mean? When it gets really real, and I'm like, look, man, you know, sometimes you gotta, you know, look your tribe in the eye and say, look, man, it's getting real, man, and this is just a token of what, you know what I'm saying, we are building together. You know, the website is just, you know, the beginning of it, but it's an important piece because it allows us to just have a meeting point on the internet stuff, you know what I mean, to dodge all the, you know, YouTubes and Instagrams and Facebooks and just get in our own cozy place. And I'm glad that y'all getting cozy with it too, man. So get cozy, man. Love to the tribe across the plane for making this happen. You know who you are, and it's truly appreciated. It's truly Baruch, man. It's truly coom, man. We cooming up, man. We rising up. I love y'all, man. For real, for real. Shabbat shalom to the tribe. Let go. We popping off, man. Third way.